Here's how to change the batteries on your Robo Live Robo Boats by Zero. All you'll need to do this is one small Phillips head screwdriver and 3 batteries. These are LR44s or AG13s or A76 coin batteries. They come in a pack like this. I bought these off of Amazon. There'll be a link in the description below. The first thing you need to do, turn the boat over, and you'll see right here is the Phillips head screw holding on the battery latch. So take your screwdriver and you want to back this screw out. Now on the screws, there's going to be a rubber gasket, and on the battery cover housing, there's also a rubber gasket as well. So there's that. Now one battery already popped off. The other 3 are kind of difficult to get off, so you may have to kind of pull back this little metal tab here to pry out the other batteries. There's 2, and 3's out. All right, so now to replace these, you want to replace them with the flat side facing up, so the first 2 pop in pretty easy, and the third one's going to sit on top. And also you'll notice that when you pulled off the battery housing here, sometimes there's this small little rubber gasket that's going to go around the screw. Now this is important to keep on there to keep it watertight, because if you put these in the bathtub, water will eventually get in there. So you want to sit there and push this on top and kind of wiggle it down the screw. So that's back on. So now I'll take our 3rd battery, put it on top here, and it's going to sit flush across the top. Now take our battery cover housing. Now slip this in with the tabbed end towards the front. Now push down. Now turn the screw clockwise to tighten this back up. You want it to be pretty snug and secure. Once you have it back in, you're all set. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.